Alright, so, hey guys, what's going on, dudes? This is the Creepy Juice MC here, and today we are, just starting a new series called Bukkit Coding, and in this one we are learning how to do a basic heal command. So I'll just name this heal, I'll name this test, how about that? And this is a 1.7.10. Or I meant it's a 1.8. I'll change it to 1.7.10 since 1.8 it doesn't have like all the packages yet downloaded in its thing. So alright. So exit all of that. Alright, so let's make a new package called executors, and then let's make a new class called heal. Alright, in this one, make this method up here, extends Java plugin. So this means whatever the code under this extends Java plugin and this class body is, it extends to the Java plugin database. So yeah, so I need to show you guys two basic methods. So at override public void on enable. Whoops. On enable. Whoops. On enable. Alright. And then you guys know the second one. Public void on disable. On disable. Alright. So this is basically when we start up the server, then whatever's under this on enable and on disable, that will be executed. So just do this, get logger.info, then do this. So this get logger.info, it means when you start up the server, a message, it pops up in the console of what was enabled and disabled. So like, yeah, so let's just say test enabled. Alright, and then we do the same thing, so dot info. Whoops. Test disable. Alright, and then after that we will want to make a boolean thing. So do control space where's boolean? Right, there you go. So I just clicked that like that. So that's like the shorter way of typing that whole thing. Alright guys. So change ISO command. Alright, and then return false. So in this boolean we have to return it, and this is where we'll be making our command. So string cmd equals args0, and I won't do that because that's like a harder method to figure out. So first we will want to do if cmd.getName equals ignore case, and then you put the command name inside of here. So I said heal. Now you will want to check if the player, no, you'll want to check if the sender is actually a player. So when the console runs /heal, then it'll say error, you're not a player, or else like there'll be a bunch of like string errors and out of bounds exceptions and all that. Alright, so first do this, if sender instance of player, import player as org.bucket. Alright, and then you just do a return true. Alright, then do sender dot send message error, not a player. Alright, so after you do that, we will under our heal command just do this. If sender instance of player. So when we do this, this is if the sender is actually a player, we will want to execute this command. But right now we don't need that. All we need is this statement right here. So if args not length equals 0. Alright, do under our boolean, do this player equals your sender. Alright, player target equals bucket dot get server dot get player args 0. Alright, so import bucket and then so under our args dot length equals 0, do player dot set health 20, or no, set health 20.0, and do player dot set food level 20.0. Alright, then send a message, of course, and let's say I wanted to play a sound. But first, let's get on to this. So, if you want to make your message type like a color, so like let's say I wanted to do green, just do this chat color dot green, put plus sign, and then import chat color as org.bucket.chat color. Alright, and then let's make a chat color dot bold to chat's color dot bold. Alright, you have been healed. Alright, player dot play sound. Player dot get location, and then sound dot ender dragon death. Alright, there you go. So after we do that, we will want to move on to from orgs.length equals 0. We're gonna move on to this target. Now a target is when you type /heal and then a player's name. So first we're gonna check if the target is actually a player. So if target equals null, then we will want to send the sender a message in red. So chat color dot red plus chat color dot bold could not find player, and then plus args 0. Alright, and then just return true in this statement. And then we're gonna make an else statement. And basically, what an else statement is, it's like another meaning for otherwise. So otherwise, if the target is not there, then we will say that we cannot find the player args 0. But otherwise, if they are there, then we'll want to execute that. So target dot set health 20.0. Right, target dot set food level. Alright, target dot send message. You have been healed by plus player dot. Alright. Dot aqua. There we go. Alright, so after we do that, we'll want to send the sender a message to, so player dot send message. Alright. Chat's color dot green plus chat's color dot bold. Right, there we go. Player plus target dot its name plus has been healed. Yeah, has been healed. Alright, so now that we are done with our code, we have no errors at the moment, so this is all good. Let's exit out of this. So in your package folder, right click here, src or source, click new file, call this your plugin.yml, and essentially, no, and what a plugin.yml is what essentially what Bukkit uses to like identify like what's the name of the plugin and where to find like all the code and stuff and all the commands and the description and stuff. So I'm gonna teach you guys the format of one. So first you want to make the name, which I'll call this test, and then the author, which was the creator, so I'll just do creepy juice. Version 1.0. Whoops. Version 1.0. Main executors dot heal. Description. Test plugin with heal. Alright, then go 3 under and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, heal. And then 1, 2. Usage slash heal. Description heal command. Alright, so that's about it. So let's export our project. So and that custom SQL thing is I made my own my SQL. So yeah, it's actually pretty awesome when you code it. Alright, so let's go to my coding. Alright, and as you can see, we have it right there. So let's run the server. And let's take a look at if there's any errors. Alright, I think I see one. Alright, we have no error. We had no errors because it just says enabling test, and then it says test enabled, which we identified in here, and test enabled. So now let's go in game. So I'm lagging like horribly. Alright, so let's log it in. Just take your time, Minecraft, and it's okay. Alright, so Oh yeah. Come on, Minecraft! Gosh! Don't be a jerk, please. Alright, well, guys, I'm back, so let's go in-game, inside my server. And if we do slash plugins, as you can see, it says test right there. So if we do help test, and then we do heal. Okay, I think it's because our target method was wrong, so let's try erasing that. Let's try erasing that. Let's try erasing that. Right, there we go. So re-export this and slash heal. And as you can see, it says you have been healed, and this is because like Essentials is running. So if I keep on, like, see, so that's the basic basic tutorial of Bukkit's API. I hope you dudes all enjoyed, and if you have, just please click that like button. And anyways, I will see you all later. Take care. Goodbye. Yeah.